What will you write in the writer's notebook? You can write just about anything. Whatever occurs to you, a bit of conversation that you overheard, or some thought that occurred to you which you feel is unusual. Don't think about is it worth recording. It should really be a notebook where you can scribble, where you can write anything, because nobody is going to judge you on the basis of this notebook. Just remember that. So just make your writer's notebook and record everything that comes to you. And it doesn't matter if it's half baked, it doesn't matter if it is just a snippet of a conversation you overheard, it doesn't matter what you write in it. As long as you write whatever occurs to you, which you think can be an idea. Because you see, you don't know at the time what it can develop into. Ideas are like little seeds. So it's important for us to gather those little seeds and to protect it and to nourish it. And how are you going to protect those ideas? You're going to do it with the help of your writer's notebook. So do start a writer's notebook and keep writing in it. And this is not an overnight process. It's not that you start your writer's notebook today and tomorrow it will be filled up with stuff. It's going to happen over many weeks, probably many months. But do keep that notebook handy and keep making notes in it.